The two groups again filled the streets of Durban to hand over another set of demands, this time to the courts. Despite some criticism, they say they remain firm in their beliefs in fighting against illegal migrants, stressing that they are not xenophobic but are protecting the interests of South Africans.
We are not angry, we are furious.
They assert jobs, hospitals, schools and businesses are collapsing under the weight of illegal foreign nationals. These nationalist groups are unimpressed by any government department's response. They say their demonstrations will intensify until the law is enforced.
Mass deportations have not been happening the way we have asked for. People are still hiring illegal immigrants, which means the Department of Labor, we would appreciate it if they intensify their actions. There's still spaza shops being opened, being run, and you don't know how much more must happen. We've already had so many deaths.
They have some allies on the benches of Parliament, with the Patriotic Alliance also present.
We are not in a position to allow foreign nationals, documents or no documents, to utilize our public health care facilities.
According to Operation Dudula, they also plan on starting to block access to schools.
If you are undocumented, there's no ways that you need to be entertained. You must be turned back and returned home. Now, because the parents of these kids are undocumented, that makes them undocumented too. They should not even be at those schools. Now, the ones that are documented shouldn't be given first preference.
They are calling for increased cooperation among the community, law enforcement and the courts to ensure the arrest and deportation of individuals residing illegally in the country. Authorities have been given 30 days to respond to the memorandum of demands. Or see Kona Malingamnisi in Durban.